नमस्ते बच्चों, let us see some more problems based on a relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. And today's first problem is, if alpha, beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then we have to evaluate. First one is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Second one is 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b. And third one is a into alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha plus b into alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. There are three questions. So let us solve it by one. So solution, first write the given polynomial. Polynomial in x is given ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Now, since alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial in x, therefore alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b upon a. This is equation first. And alpha into beta will be equal to c upon a. This is equation second. Now come to the first question. We have to find the value of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Now first question is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 can be written as alpha square the whole square plus beta square the whole square. And we know that a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So here at the place of a there is alpha square, at the place of b there is beta square. So on this identity we can write it as alpha square plus beta square, that is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 alpha square into beta square. Now again write this alpha square plus beta square on this identity. इसको भी इस आइडेंटिटी के आधार पे तोड़ेंगे तो अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर यानी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा अल्फा प्लस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा and whole square is there, so write here whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. So it will be alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta the whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now put the value of alpha plus beta, and the value of alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So write here minus b upon a the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. The value of alpha beta is c by a. So it will be c by a minus 2. It can be written as alpha into beta the whole square. So it will be b square by a square and minus 2c by a. The whole square is there. Whole square minus 2 and value of alpha beta is c by a. C by a the whole square from 1 and 2. From second. Now we have to expand it. So it will be equal to b square minus a square, and take the LCM of a square and a. It will be a square, and a square divided by a square will be 1, and 1 multiplied by b square will be b square. A square divided by a will be equal to a, and 2c multiplied by a will be 2ca, and whole square is there. So we have written whole square minus 2, and square of c will be c square by a square. Now you can expand it. It will be b square minus 2ca the whole square by a square minus 2c square by a square. So now a square the whole square, that is a power 4, it will be a to the power 4. Now take the LCM. A power 4 is the LCM of a power 4 and a square. So a power 4 multiplied by a power 4 will be 1, and so it will remain the same. 2 square b square minus 2ac the whole square minus a square. A power 4 divided by a square will be a square, and multiplied by 2c square will be 2c square a square. Now you can expand it. So it will be b power 4 plus 4a square c square, a square plus b square minus 2a and 2ac minus 2c square a square upon a power 4. So it will be equal to b power 4 plus 4a square c square minus 2a square c square will be 2a square c square minus 2 to the 4 b square ac upon a power 4, and this is the value of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 will be equal to b power 4 plus 2a square c square minus 4b square ac upon a power 4. This is your answer. Now let us find the value of second question, which is 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b. So first take the LCM of a alpha plus b and a beta plus b, which will be, the LCM will be a alpha plus b into a beta plus b. This is the LCM. Now a alpha plus b will cancel with a alpha plus b, then a beta plus b will left, and a beta plus b will multiplied by 1 will be equal to A beta plus B. So it will be equal to A beta plus B, and here we will have A alpha plus B multiplied by 1 will be A alpha plus B. Now you can see A alpha plus B and A beta plus B. So A alpha and A beta is here, so take common A in both. We remain with alpha plus beta, and B plus B will be 2B upon. Now multiply it. A multiplied by A will be A square, and alpha multiplied by beta will be alpha beta, plus A alpha multiplied by B will be A B alpha, plus B multiplied by A beta will be A B beta, plus B multiplied by B will be B square. Then we have A into alpha plus beta plus 2B in numerator, and in denominator we have A square alpha beta plus AB is common in both these two terms, so take common AB, then in bracket there will be alpha plus beta plus B square. Now put the value of alpha plus beta, and value of alpha plus beta is minus B upon A, plus 2B upon value of alpha beta is C by A, plus AB into value of alpha plus beta is minus B upon A, plus B square. So this A will cancel with this A cancel with a square of A, and this A cancel with this A. So now we have in numerator minus B plus 2B, minus B plus 2B in numerator, and in denominator see what we left here, A into C, that is AC, plus minus will be minus B into B, minus B square plus B square, that is AC minus B square plus B square. So write in denominator AC minus B square plus B square. So in numerator we will have 2B minus B, that is B will be there, and this B square minus and this B square plus will cancel, then AC will left. So this is your answer. Now let us see question number 3. Your question number 3 is A into alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha plus B into alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So we have to find the value of this. So let us simplify it first. It will be A, and take the LCM of alpha beta, which will be alpha into beta, and then we have to divide this LCM by beta. So alpha will left, and alpha multiplied by alpha square will be alpha cube, and similarly this beta square will multiplied by beta will be beta cube plus b, and LCM of alpha beta will be alpha beta, and alpha multiplied by alpha will be alpha square, and beta multiplied by beta will be beta square. So now it will be a and a cube plus b cube. The formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b upon alpha into beta, and the formula for a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, and upon alpha beta is here, so write alpha beta and multiplied by b. Now we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, so put the value of alpha plus beta. The value of alpha plus beta is minus b by a the whole cube minus the value of alpha into beta is c by a, so it will be c by a, and alpha plus beta is minus b by a upon alpha plus alpha into beta, that is c by a plus b multiplied by alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to minus b by a the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is here, so it will be c by a upon alpha beta, so c by a. Right here from question first and second. So now we have to solve it. So it will be a, and here minus b cube by a cube, and minus multiplied by minus will be plus 3bc upon a square, and we have to divide it by c by a, so if we multiply it, it will be a by c, and plus b into minus b by a the whole square will be b square by a square minus 2c by a, and now change it, if we multiply then it will be a by c. So now we have now it will be a is there, so write a, and LCM, take the LCM of a cube and a square, so it will be a cube, and here we have minus b cube plus a cube divided by a square will be a, and a multiplied by 3bc will be 3abc, and it is multiplied by a by c, and plus b, take the LCM of a square and a, it will be a square, and here we will have b square minus a square divided by a will be a, and a multiplied by 2c will be 2ca, and this is multiplied by a by c. Now this a square will cancel by this a by a square, and this a square will cancel by this a by a. So we will have, now we will have a multiplied by minus b cube plus 3abc in numerator, and in denominator a square c. A square c, a square multiplied by c will be equal to a square c, plus b square minus 2ac, b square minus 2ac in numerator and ac in denominator. So now you can cancel this a square of a by this a. So we have minus b cube plus 3abc by ac plus b into b square will be b cube minus 2abc upon AC. So LCM of AC and AC will be AC, and then it will be minus b cube plus 3abc plus b cube minus 2abc. So minus bq and plus bq will cancel. Then 3abc minus 2abc, both are like terms, so we can subtract it. So 3abc minus 2abc will be equal to abc upon ac. Now a will cancel with a and c will cancel with c. So we have b here. So therefore the value of the given expression a into alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha plus b alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to b. Answer.